In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short on TradingView. Shorting, or taking a short position, is a trading strategy that allows you to profit from a decline in the price of an asset. It's an essential skill for traders who want to capitalize on market downturns. Let's break this down so that you can easily follow along and understand every step of the process. First, you'll need to open any chart on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful and popular platform for traders, offering a wide range of charting tools and data. Make sure you're comfortable navigating the interface, as it's important for executing trades effectively. Once you have your chart open, move your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click on that. This panel is your gateway to accessing various trading options and broker connections available through TradingView. In this demonstration, we'll use the paper trading option. Paper trading is a great way to practice trading without risking real money. It allows you to simulate trades and understand the mechanics prior to committing real funds. After selecting paper trading, click on Connect to activate this feature. With paper trading connected, you're now ready to short. Look to the right panel, or just above the chart, for a button labeled Sell. Clicking this button initiates the process of opening a short position. Next, you'll be presented with the Order panel. This is where you configure the specifics of your trade. First, you'll need to set the order type. This could be a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, where you specify the price at which you want the order to be executed. The choice between these depends on your trading strategy and market conditions. After setting the order type, you need to determine the quantity of the asset you'd like to short. This should be aligned with your risk management strategy, ensuring that you are not overexposing your portfolio to unnecessary risk. Quantities can often be adjusted more flexibly in paper trading, so feel free to experiment here to see what different exposure levels might feel like for you. Once you have your order type and quantity set, the final step is to click Sell to simulate entering a short position. After you've clicked Sell, your position will appear on the chart and in your trading log as a negative value. This indicates your short position, and from here, you'll want to monitor how it performs. As the price of the asset you're shorting falls, you'll see profits begin to accrue in this simulation. Remember, the goal with shorting is to buy back the asset at a lower price than you sold it for, thus making a profit from the difference. By practicing with paper trading, you can gain confidence in executing this kind of trade in live market conditions later on. Happy trading!